Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paints with me, Mike here at your service. And today we have an Amazon unboxing. This was one that I purchased with the game Just Play. I managed to get another £2 voucher and it's getting quite addictive, this game, Tiger Lily. She spends it on her cat's food and I buy it on paintings. So another free one for me. And it's been on my wish list for a while, but I was like, it took me a long time to decide whether to get it, and I thought, do you know what, I'm going to get it. I was watching Craft Addict Roxanne the other day, and oh my god, like, she put up some swans, and that's it. I was like, right, that's done it for me, I'm getting it. Now, it's not the same one, but I think Craft Addict Roxanne might like this. Oh yes, it's a flat one. Yeah, baby, I like my flats. So, look at that. Do you think you know what it is? Oh, don't you just love new diamond painting day? So in here we have, this was literally £2, £1.99, and I got it free with the game Just Play. So in here we have, are you ready guys? Are you ready? Ta-da! I don't even know if they're swans though, but you've got this lovely, it's a 30x40, you've got all these petals going around. It's like a headband really, isn't it, with petals. And then you've got 27 colours on the schematic. But I don't even know if they're actually swans. To me it looks like a swan, but it's got this frilly bit at the top, like a crested crown. And then it sort of goes down, but then it has the resemblance of a flamingo's body. So I'm not entirely sure what type of birds these are. But if you do know, let me know. And then as we get down, it's like they're angels from, you know, some sort of story, because you've got I get the impression that these are from heaven or something, because we've got the sky and then we've got what looks to be the resemblance of a cloud. So I don't know whether this is like a sort of like angel sort of vibe going on here. And then this gorgeous, gorgeous, lovely flower, I think that is there. And I really like that. So I really was really quite nice to get that. And let's just check the stick. Oh yeah, that's nice. So it's a nice big stick there. So yeah, wow, really like this. That's gorgeous. And there's actually, if you get the light right, there's a bit of glitter going on in here. But yeah, I really liked it and I thought that was absolutely gorgeous. So I'm pleased I've got it. It's come out pretty nice. So that's that. And then we've got our classic, as you can see guys, the baggies. As you can see, plenty of bags there. I've got nearly every unboxing I've got so far has contained bags. So Tessa's going to have a lot of bags. Okay, so let's get into here. I'm really happy because I've been looking for my Christmas pudding tape, and I've now found the Christmas pudding tape, because I did lose it and it's been driving me mad because I need it for my painting that Dawn O'Gelsby got me. So to finally get it is now perfect. So let's start with, oh my god, where did I put them? G2906, G2906. So it's, I've got some other jewels here with a different coding. So I've had to move it into the kitchen because we've run out of daylight, and I'm not prepared to wait all, you know, I'm not prepared to wait until the next day to film it. I want to see what it is. To see what it's like. So we've got a dark blue, we've got a light blue, that gorgeous minty blue. I love that colour to bits. We've got red, Tessa's favourite colour there, hot pink. And then we've got blue, and a brown, and a grey, and a red, and a dark blue, and a light blue, and a purple, and a peachy colour, and or a plum. It reminds me of Miranda there. I don't know why she gave up that comedy show, but it was so funny. And then we got like a reddy pink, and then we have we have the white, the blue, the purple. We've got a apricot maybe. It's not a peach, it's not a vanilla, it's not a plum. So it's got me apricot. I love the way I say plum. I do make myself, does everyone else make themselves laugh? Mint blue, we've got a lilac there, a beautiful baby pink, and a light blue, and that gorgeous vibrant dark blue. That's gorgeous. And then we've got like a butterscotch short colour dark blue, and we've got a escapee in that one there. We've got this one doesn't want to travel with that, it's going in the blue bag. A mint blue and a dark blue. So I really hope you like that painting. Obviously I will put the links in the description of the video, but I just had to get it. It was so lovely. And I shouldn't be buying animal paintings. I'm going back into the animal paintings again. It's so hard. You know, I think I'll always be doing animals. I'm more an animal painter than I am, you know, other things, but it's so difficult, you know, when you see all these things. And this was the recommendation one, so I was like, I've got to have that. I've just noticed here that they've got red eyes, so could it be an albino? We all know that animals with red eyes are classed as albinos. So yeah, anyway, so that's that. So thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and always tap the notification bell. There's still 17% of you that are still not subscribed, so if you watch the channel, you might as well subscribe to it. It's totally free of charge, it doesn't cost you a penny, and get that subscribe button pressed, because obviously you watch the channel, so you might as well just sub to it. And obviously check out the link if you want to get this for yourself. I'll put the link in the description of the video. And if you have got an Android phone, download Just Play. You'll get some discount if you get that, because you get lots of lovely vouchers. It took me about 2 days to get the £2 together with that game, because it's like 50p here, 20p, 30p. You never know how much you're going to get each time, so it can take a couple of days to build it up to the voucher that you need. But anyway, enough rambling on. Take care. We'll catch you later.